Watch as students demonstrate the functionality of our innovative Smart Dustbin. When a paper wrapper is placed near the sensor, the lid opens automatically, providing a hands-free and hygienic waste disposal solution. This project encourages cleanliness while integrating technology into everyday tasks, making it easier for everyone to keep their surroundings clean. In this step, students repurpose a plastic jar by carefully cutting it with a hex blade to create the body of the dustbin. This highlights their creativity and commitment to recycling everyday materials, turning them into practical solutions for waste management. Next, the students use cardboard to craft the lid of the dustbin. This simple yet effective approach demonstrates how easily accessible materials can be transformed into functional components, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Using a hot glue gun, students secure the design and wrap the jar with colorful paper, giving the Smart Dustbin a vibrant and polished look. Next, the teacher demonstrates how the Arduino microcontroller works. He shows the students how the sensors are connected to detect motion, which signals the lid to open automatically. This practical lesson helps students grasp the fundamentals of electronics and automation, bringing their Smart Dustbin project to life. We'd like to thank everyone for watching this demonstration of our Smart Dustbin project. A big thank you to the students for their creativity and hard work, and to the teachers for their guidance. Together, we're making small steps towards a cleaner and smarter future.